Is emotional intelligence just another personality assessment? Hi, I'm Ina, and this is Shift Happens. Personality assessments, think of MBTI, the Enneagram, the color personality test, refer to preferences. Emotional intelligence refers to behaviors. So what is the difference between behaviors and preferences? Let's say that you prefer whiskey and I am a wine person. Those two are preferences. You're a dog person, I prefer cats. You're an extrovert, I'm an introvert. Those are all preferences. And whilst preferences do dictate some of our behaviors, personality assessments don't measure behaviors. Most emotional intelligence tools, however, do. So let's have a look at an example. Even though introverts prefer solitude and extroverts prefer socializing, both these types can be great keynote speakers. Just like both dog and cat people can behave codependently in relationships. And both wine and whiskey drinkers can be great decision makers. You see the difference? Codependency, decision making, public expression, those are all behaviors. Preferences are like glasses. You can put them on and off. Behaviors are part of our anatomy. They're like our eyesight in this analogy. Preferences can be changed. Behaviors are hardwired and much harder to change, but not impossible.